Today, we'll show you how to change.
Get the wheel off. Flathead, 2 pins, pry it off. 2 smaller bolts that's holding on the caliper. Flathead again, pry the clip off. Take the caliper off. Remove the pads. 2 bigger bolts holding the bracket. Take the rotor off. Clean up the hub. Put the new rotors on. Clean up the bracket. Grease up the pads. Brake cleaner on the rotor. Degrease it. Clean it up. Reassemble the caliper bracket. 2 bigger bolts that's holding on the bracket. Put the pads on. Grease up the pads where the piston's pushing. Compression tool. Push the piston. Reassemble the caliper. 2 smaller bolts holding the caliper. Put the wheel on, grab a torque wrench, torque it up. And that's how we